everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So if you're also running a skincare brand business and tired of replying manually again and again, then this video is for you. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your skincare brand business. And this chatbot is going to help customers in finding the right product based on their skin type, place orders, and even send them skincare tips. So if you also want to make your customers look more beautiful, then let's dive into my screen for creating your own WhatsApp chatbot. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot for skincare brand business. A skincare brand often receives repetitive customer queries from product suitability and ingredient doubts to order tracking and delivery timelines. Responding manually delays engagement and affects sales. By integrating a WhatsApp chatbot, the brand can automate personalized product recommendation, provide real-time order updates, and share weekly skincare tips, all within a platform customers already use daily. It reduces manual workloads and enhance the overall customer experience while driving more conversations. So let's create your own WhatsApp chatbot, but firstly I am going to show you how exactly a chatbot works. For that, let me take you towards my WhatsApp. As you can see, I have already opened my WhatsApp and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. Now let's enter a message hello here and see what will happen further. As I am entering the message, I am getting a reply that is, hi there, I am Glowbot, your personal skincare assistant from XYZ Skincare. What can I help you with today? And I am getting 3 buttons, that is Get Glow Guide, Skincare Tips, and Track My Order. So now let's click on Get Glow Guide. As I am clicking on Get Glow Guide, it is providing me a message asking for my skin type, and here I have to reply with A, B, C, or D. So now let's type A here. As I have entered A, it is providing me a message now again asking me about the main skin concern, and here I have to reply with the number. So now let's select number 1. As I'm selecting 1, it is recommending me a product and asking me whether I want to buy the product or not. For that, we are getting 2 buttons, that is buy now and not now. So now let's select here not now. As I'm selecting not now, it is providing me a thank you message, that is thank you for visiting. Now let's enroll to another option, that is skincare tips. As I'm clicking on skincare tips, I'm getting an automated reply which is asking me whether I want weekly self-care tips or not. So now let's click here yes. As I'm clicking on yes, it is providing me a message that displays I'm on their glow list and now I will be receiving tips from Monday onwards. Now let's go through our last option, that is track my order. As I'm clicking on track my order, it is providing me a message asking for the order ID. So now let's enter our order ID here. As soon as I'm entering the order ID, I am getting a message that my order will be delivered within 2 days. So here you can see our chatbot is working properly. You can also create your own chatbot for your skincare brand business using Pabbly Chatflow. For using Pabbly Chatflow, you just have to type its URL, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Once you will enter the URL, you will get the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting 2 options, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, you can just click on sign up free, but as I have already an account on Pabbly, I will just click on sign in. Once you finish your sign up, you will get this all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see these are the apps provided by Pabbly. For creating a chatbot, you just need to access Pabbly Chatflow app, and here we are getting 2 buttons, that is access now and learn more. For accessing Pabbly Chatflow, you just have to click on access now. Once you click on access now, you will get the dashboard page of Pabbly, and here you can see this is the WhatsApp number I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. You can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on add WhatsApp number here. Now you can see you are getting the option for folders. If you want to create your own folder, you can just click here and create it. Now on the sidebar, we are getting many features which are provided by Pabbly. So now let me explain you these features shortly and sweetly. So the first we are getting is inbox. This is the section where we receive messages from our customers and we send them automated replies. Now another one we are getting is contacts. If you want to manage your contact list, you can just click here. Now next one we are getting is team queues. You can manage your team access by just clicking on team queues for managing the WhatsApp chatbot. Now another one we are getting is templates. If you want to create your own templates, you can just click here and create it. The next one we are getting is broadcast. If you want to broadcast your any message on a preferred date or time, you can just click here. Now another one we are getting is flows. Flows are basically the path which our chatbot follows. For creating a chatbot, we just need to click on flows. So now another one we are getting is AI assistant. You can create or add your own AI assistant from here. Next one we are getting is settings. You can manage your settings according to you here. Now the last one we are getting is get help. If you need any type type of help or support, you can just click here. If you want to learn more about any feature, you can find the video link in the description given below. So now let's start creating our chatbot. For that, we just have to click on flows. Once you will click on flows, you will get this flow builder page, and here you can see these are the flows created by me. If you want to add your own flow, you can just click on add flow button. After clicking on add flow, this flow page will appear in front of you, and here you can see we are getting the flow start node. If you want to provide a name to your flow, you can just provide it here. I am providing it the name how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your skincare brand business. Now let's move on to the flow start node. Here on the flow start node, it is asking me to enter keywords. So you might be thinking, what are keywords? Keywords are basically the triggers which a user can enter. Now I am going to enter a keyword here, that is hello. Here I have entered only one keyword. You can enter as many as keywords you want. Now moving on to the next, we are getting the option for entering regex. So regex are basically the short form for the regular expression. Regex are basically used for handling user specific inputs. But if you want to trigger any message, you can enter regex like this. Now if a user sends me a message, I want to provide them a welcome message. For that, I will just drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting many options, that is text plus button, media, list, single product message, multi-product message, and template. For creating a message, we just need to click on text plus button here. After clicking on text plus button, the message node will appear, and here you can type the message you want to send to your customer. Here I have entered a message for my user, and now I am going to create some buttons. For that, I will just click on add button, and here you can see it is asking me to enter the text. Here I have to enter the text of my button. The first button I am creating is get glow guide. Now let's create a second button. For that, just click on add button and enter the text of your second button. The second button I have created is skincare tips. Now I am going to create my third button. For that, just click on add button and enter the text of your third button. Third button I have created is track my order. Now if the user clicks on get glow guide button, I want to ask them about their skin type. For that, you just have to click on actions, and here we are getting the option for ask question. Once you will click on ask question, the question node will appear, and here you can enter the message or the question you want to ask from your customer. Now just connect this get glow guide button with the question node here, and now enter the message. Here I have entered the message asking for the skin type. It is asking me to select contact custom fields. Here you can see these are the contact custom fields created by me. You can also create your own contact custom field. For that, you just have to go to settings, and here you can see we are getting the option for contact custom fields. So just click on contact custom fields and create your own fields. So now let's select contact custom field as choice here, and the format would be any. Now if the user replies to this question, I want to ask them another question. For that, you just have to go to actions, and here just click on ask question. Now let's connect these both question nodes. Now I am going to enter a message here regarding the main skin concern of my customer. Now let's select contact custom field as choice here again, and the format would be any. Now if the user replies to this question also, I am going to recommend a skincare product. For that, I will just drag and drop and select text plus button for entering the message. Here I have recommended a product for my customer. Now I am going to ask them whether they want to buy the product or not. For that, I will create two buttons here. So just click on add button and enter the text of your button. The first button I have created is buy now. Now I am going to create my second button. For that, just click on add button and enter the text of your second button. That is not now. Now if the user clicks on buy now, I want to send them a message that their order has been placed. For that, just drag and drop and select text plus button here. Here I have entered this message. Now let's enhance our flow and provide some skincare tips to our customer. For that, I am going to enter a message. So just drag and drop and select text plus button. And now I am going to enter a message here. Here I have entered a message asking whether they want weekly self-care tips. And now I am going to create some buttons. For that, just click on add button and enter the text. Here I have created my first button, that is yes. Now I am going to create my second button. For that, just click on add button and enter the text of your second button. The second button I have created is no thanks. Now if the user clicks on yes, I want to provide them a message. For that, just drag and drop and select text plus button here. Now let's enter the message. Here I have entered a message for my customer. If they click on yes, that now they are on my glow list and they will get the skincare tips from Monday onwards. Now if the user clicks on no thanks, I want to provide them a thank you message. For that, just drag and drop and select text plus button here. Now if the user clicks on no thanks, I am going to provide them a thank you message, and I am going to provide this thank you message even when the user clicks on not now. So just connect this not now button with with this thank you message. So now let's enhance our flow and provide our customers for order tracking option. For that, firstly I am going to ask about their order ID. So just go to actions here and click on ask question and just connect this track my order button with the question node. Now let's enter the message here. I have entered a message here asking about the order ID. Now if the customer provide me order ID, I want to send them a message. For that, just drag and drop and select text plus button here. Now let's enter a message that their order will be delivered within 2 days. Here I have entered this message. Now here you can see we have created this flow for our skincare brand business. You can also create a chatbot for your skincare brand business by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now for saving the flow, you just have to click on save button. Once you will click on save button, a pop-up will appear in front of you that is flow updated successfully. Means you have successfully saved your flow. Now for showing you how we are receiving the messages from our customer and how we are sending them the automated reply, let me take you towards my inbox section. For that, you just have to click on inbox. Once you will click on inbox, this inbox section will appear and here you can see this is the number I have connected to my account. Here you can see we are successfully receiving the messages from our customer and our automated replies are successfully sent or delivered to them. So you can also create your own WhatsApp chatbot like this using Pabbly Chatflow. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating more chatbots like this. Thank you for watching this video. You can create multiple chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. And if you have any price related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So go and create your WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.